In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install a security camera like this Ring Doorbell 2 without any drills or screws. What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. So I've done multiple videos on security cameras like this Blink. I did a couple videos on this Blink Video Doorbell and then this Ring Video Doorbell. And a lot of questions I seem to get is how can these be mounted without actually using a drill or screwing them into the front of, say, your house or apartment or something like that. Reason being, some people are intimidated with using power tools, and then some people are in a living situation where they're renting, something like that, and they can't actually use any power tools to mount these. One of the options I want to show you guys is real simple. I've used it before. I actually used it on this Blink Video Doorbell because it's a lighter doorbell. I've used two-sided tape. As long as you get a good quality two-sided tape like this Gorilla brand, I didn't have any issues with the doorbell falling off or anything. So I have used two-sided tape before to mount cameras, as long as they're light enough, they're not too heavy. Another option, this Antitheft Video Doorbell Mount. This one's can be found on Amazon. Real simple, easy to use. No drilling or screwing necessary when you're using something like this. It does serve as something that's also anti-theft to prevent people from stealing your doorbell per se. This doesn't work well with something that has a screen door because this has to be mounted to your actual regular door, and then the screen door would block this. Go ahead and take a look at the box here. If you guys can see on the side there, this works with your Ring 1, 2, 3, the Ring 3 Plus, the EUKI, and the Blink camera. I got the Ring here, I got the Blink Video Doorbell here, and then I got the Blink camera. I've tested it out with the Blink Doorbell. You can make it work. It's not perfect, but you definitely can make it work with one of these. On the side here, easy how to install instructions. Shows you how to do it. Thickness of the door that it's suitable for. This is 1.3 inches to 2 inches. This brand here is, I think you pronounce it EUKI, but the Amazon has tons of different brands and designs that you can choose from. I'll put the link to this one in the description box, and then I'll put a few more that you guys might be interested in. They're all through Amazon. It's an Amazon affiliate link. So if you guys are looking for one of these, go ahead and use one of those affiliate links. Helps out the channel a lot, and I appreciate it. We'll go ahead and get inside the box, and I'll show you everything that comes inside this box. User guide here, real easy to read. You get some more foam dots here, if you want to use those on the back of this bracket. This bracket is what actually mounts to your door. It's already got the foam pads there, and then for this adjusting knob here, there's a foam pad on the inside of this. So you don't have to worry about scratching up your door at all if it's painted, say, or it's got a nice finish on it. This is going to be what's going to hold your security camera securely onto this bracket. You get some screws here to mount this to the bracket. They give you 6 screws and then an Allen wrench. And then this is all your foam that's going to be used to wedge in your camera or mount your camera inside of this casing. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and I'll show you how easy it is to place the camera inside of here, get everything bolted up, and then on a door. We're going to go ahead and mount this Blink camera inside of this casing here, this Antitheft doorbell mount. You're going to go ahead and you can use your own imagination however you want to do it, but you're going to use these foam blocks to actually mount this inside of here. It's going to be like a wedge type design. So like for this, you can go ahead and put foam on each side here. And there's really no wrong way or right way to do it, but that's what that's going to look like when that's mounted in there. And the foam, real nice fit. You don't have to worry about this falling out. You can add more foam if you wish to. They give you more than enough. And then you can actually add some more foam on the back here so that when you put this on, it kind of sandwiches it in there. Then once you do that, you're just going to put this back piece on, and then you're going to put your screws in, tighten it down, and then you can mount this on your door. Now if you want to go ahead and mount the ring doorbell inside, just go ahead and put it inside like so. Once again, you're just going to pretty much use these foam blocks to wedge it in there so it stays in place. I'm going to go ahead and put this wedge at the top here. You can add one of these thinner ones to the top. Go ahead and wedge that in. I got one more right here. You can wedge that in there. And then go ahead, throw some on the back so it kind of sandwiches itself in there like so. It's one too many. And then that's what it's going to look like. Now, like I said, you can do it differently. You could actually take these out. There's really no wrong way or right way to do it. You could slide this up. And then maybe put this down at the bottom. Switch it around a little bit here. And then that's what it would look like that way. So when you're putting a camera in here, guys, there's no really right or wrong way to do it. The whole idea is you just want to center the camera, and then you're going to want to place these foam pieces surrounding it to wedge it in there so it doesn't move. And then put a few on the back here so that when somebody actually presses the doorbell, it doesn't push the camera into the casing. So you're going to put that on top there like that, and then that's going to wedge it all in there like so. Put your 4 screws on there, and then you're good to go. And then for the last example, I'll go ahead and put this Blink video doorbell in here. Now this is not made for this. You guys are going to be able to see here, this actually is too small and it fits through that hole there. But you can actually wedge this in here if you did want to use this for that. So that's how I wedged in my foam pieces. You can do it however you want, but that's how that's going to look. Now this is not going to be well suited for security purposes because this can slide through this hole where the other ones are a little bit bigger, but this would just be like a mount for the Blink doorbell, and that can provide much security. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install this on the door. Super simple. Obviously I already got the camera in there, and then all it's going to do is you're going to use this knob right here to secure it to your door. You're going to go ahead and put it on your door, slide it, and then you're just going to go ahead and tighten this knob down. That's it. Super simple. No drilling or anything like that, and that's what it's going to look like. And like I said, you can see this is a standard size door here, bunch of room there. Go ahead and close it. You guys can see no problem with it closing. That's what it looks like on the inside of the door. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, which is product reviews and how-tos, hit that subscription button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. If you guys are interested in more information on this product or to purchase it, I'll put some Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. Go ahead and use those links to help out the channel a lot, and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching guys, and I will talk to you later.